Old man, take a look at my life. A lot like you.
I'm a lot like you were. I think it's the lyric. We haven't seen much of Forrest. He's been around. We know he's not dead, or she isn't dead, but I was kind of hoping to use Forrest as the subject for my Digi60 renewal short film. But
You can't get the actress to sign the contract.
Yeah.
My theory is she's got babies.
Yeah, it could be.
She's nursing. Can't leave.
Can't leave the babies. Could be.
It's my theory.
But we have got a hummingbird.
Yes. I have been working on a hummingbird for a long time, and I know there's hummingbirds around and when they come, but I can't get them to stay with my feeder till this year. I put a little extra sugar into the formula, and now she's having a good time. I don't see her too often. It's definitely not the male, it's the female. But, yep, she's here. Oh my God, don't move. Don't move.
Oh, shit.
Don't say
there
anything.
It is right there.
Don't talk.
There's the hummingbird.
Please don't talk. We'll do it later.